Hi guys, so I've put a little video together today on how to cleanse your lashes. So what you will need is a fluffy little brush that's usually provided at your first initial appointment, some foaming cleanser, a water dropper just to rinse at the end, or you can just use your hands, it's up to you, but this is really good, really easy. So I'm going to start by just pumping it onto my eyelid first. I find that this is easiest. Some girls like to put it in the lid and then scoop it onto their eye. I feel like this is just the easiest way. So I'm just massaging it into my eyelid and trying to get into the bottom of the lashes there. It's important that you focus on the base of the lashes, not necessarily the ends, because sweat and oil are building up at the skin, not necessarily through the ends of the lashes. So just massaging that through, then I give it a wipe, and I will do this again because they needed a good clean as I wore makeup today. So just do it one more time, massaging it right in. Now this cleanser does not sting at all and it smells really nice. It is a little bit tricky to do one eye at a time and look into the camera. Obviously it's much easier when you're just doing it in the bathroom. I tell a lot of girls just to do it in the shower, because then the shower's rinsing it out. You don't have to do this part, which is just the little dropper that I have, and just rinsing the lashes, patting dry with just a tissue. So I'll do that twice just to make sure that there's no residue left behind. And then I'll go ahead and do that on the other side. Okay, so now I'm just going to use a little fan to dry the lashes. It doesn't take too long to dry them. I usually don't brush them when they're wet because I feel like I'll lose a few more than what I need to. So just drying them off, and then once they're dry I'll brush them into place and they'll fluff right out. Everything I've used in this video today I do have available to purchase. So if you're at your next appointment and need some more, or even need to pick one up at all, they are here. You can just let me know or click on an add-on on the website. Still just brushing them into place and we're all done. Perfect. Pretty done.